Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of the best Mirabel glasses for adults available in the market. These LED light-up glasses from Fency are sure to make you stand out at any party or event. Let's start off with the features of these futuristic LED glasses. They come with batteries included and have 7 controllable lights with 7 gradient flashing colors. What sets them apart is the bilateral control, allowing different colors on both sides for a truly unique look. Made of premium acrylic material, these glasses are transparent, scratch-resistant, and won't hurt your eyes even after wearing them for a long time. Plus, they are designed for comfort with sponges on both sides and little nose pads. Using these glasses is simple. Just press the button to turn them on, change the color, mode, and turn them off. The sequence includes turning on blue, green, red, sky blue, yellow, purple, white, 7 colors blinking, and turning off. While some customers found these glasses to be uncomfortable and had issues with the batteries falling out, most were impressed with the appearance, performance, and color options. One reviewer mentioned that they received a lot of compliments when wearing these glasses at a sci-fi parade. In conclusion, if you're looking to add a futuristic touch to your outfit or stand out at a party, the Fency LED light-up glasses with batteries are a great option. With their unique design, comfortable fit, and vibrant colors, these glasses are sure to make a statement wherever you go. That's all for today's review on the best Mirabel glasses for adults. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching.